Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you an advanced coding environment website which is online, which is called as repl.it. So this is a website. If you go to the browser, type this address. So this is a collaborative coding environment where you can code with multiple people. So this is a home page. So first of all you need to click on the login option, and you can log in with your Google account, GitHub account or Facebook account. So I will log in with my Google account. So you need to create the account. So after creating the account, so just wait, it is creating the account here. So now you will be redirected to your dashboard. So here you can write your repositories. So there are various kinds of languages on which you can write code here. So just click this plus icon here at the right corner here. So these are the languages which are supported here. You can see that all the popular languages are there: Python, Node.js, Java, C++, HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, Kotlin, all various kinds of languages. So let me just select Node.js for now. So you can even import code from your GitHub account also. So here you just need to paste the repository URL here. That's it. So let me just create a very basic repo, let's suppose, and you can even make your repos public as well. So like this, but it will cost you like this. Let me just create this. So it is creating it. So now you will see that. So it give you a live address also. So it is deployable. So after you create this, you will get this URL which you can share with multiple people so that they can see your app also. So this is your address. You can see that this is the random address that it gives you. So it can you can just share this address with people. So this is a Node.js environment. You can see that version 12.16.1 is installed. So here I can write any code. Let's suppose console log statement. I can run this statement. So it will run this like this. You can see that. You can even install packages by clicking this button, packages, and here you can search for a package. Let's suppose Express server. So this is Express. You can just select this package and click this plus icon to add this package. So basically this will initialize your first of all your project npm init-y, and then it will install your Express dependency like this. So now it has successfully installed it. So very automated process. So after that you can just make your Express app. You need to require it. So let me just require Express, and then we can make a simple Express app like this. So it will be listening on port 4000, and now if I run this, you will see it will run this application, and it has started the server on port 4000. It cannot get slash. You can see that you need to make sure that you configure a route. So app.get. So when you open the home page, so this is request response. So response.send hello world. And now once again, if I stop the server, again refresh, so you will see it is running the server. So just wait. And now you will see that as I open the home page, you will see hello world is returned to me like this. So let me also, you can even install multiple packages also. So just go to it, back to search, and this time I will search for the EJS template engine. Just install this also. like this. So in this way guys, you can create collaborative code inside this website. It's a great website, repl.it. You can even share your code also by clicking the share button like this. You can invite people by username or invite by email also like this. So maximum of 50 people can join here. You can see that 50 multiplayers, and this is the link here. You can also link it by sending this link here. Let's suppose I join it by this link. So in this way guys, you can also share your link also like this. So now other person has successfully joined it like this. So this is a collaborative coding site that I wanted to share with you inside this tutorial. So thanks very much for watching this.